MSc. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Active administrator. Here also
Yes, sir.
already install Windows Server and here also install Windows Client. Both side Windows is already installed. Now I activated administrator account on the client side. lusr mgr.msc. Then where I go, click on user, double click on administrator, untick the account is disabled, then click on apply, then click on OK. How to assign password? Right click on administrator, save password, proceed. How to enter proceed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are clear?
Yes,
Then
sir.
where I go
Yes,
double
sir.
click on one,
Yes, sir.
then check on account is disabled because this one account is not required. Click on apply, click on OK. Now where I go, I log out from one and log on through administrator. ये मेरा पहला काम है भास्कर, ठीक है? If Bhaskar not understood, tell me.
Sir, it's
That is
okay.
first
It's clear, sir.
तुम कौन सा अकाउंट में हो वो पता नहीं, but administrator is present or not. That is very matter for a particular system admin or Windows administrator or IT administrator, because you are working on where you are working on administrator profile. Okay, this is the server administrator. Password is abcd at that 1234, and that is the one another administrator where this administrator is a member of administrator also, and that is belongs to Windows 10. That administrator password is 12345. Windows administrator physically different, Windows 10 administrator physically different, because we are running virtual machine, because we are doing practical online. हम लोग online में कर रहे हैं, but when you are going to a network, when you are going to physical network, you are visible that two systems are available. One system present on Windows Server on data center, and multiple n number of clients are connected over the that domain. So where Windows 10s are available, Windows 10s or Windows 11s are available on client sites.
Line
And
machine.
Windows Server where available, Windows Server available on data center or network operations center. So that two location is different, but they are connected to each other logically. All are clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
So where I go now, I changing the hostname on the server side and client side as well. How to change hostname? कैसे हम hostname को change करते हैं?
Sysdm.c.
Sysdm.cpl. So install server, Windows Server, Windows Server done. Then enter the password. Administrator and password is abcd at that 1234 done. Then where I go changing the server name. How to change the server name? Go to run and type sysdm.cpl. So where I go to run and type sysdm.cpl. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is easy to remember or not? If I enter 7, RN, 8, N, 6, 9, मतलब ये possible नहीं है remember रखना. That is not possible to remember. That's why what I do, I changing the name. What is the name of this server? I am entering here Windows Server. All are clear? Windows
Yes,
Server,
yes, sir.
Server 1,
Yes, sir.
DC1, DC,
Yes, sir.
DC0, कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. So I am entering here Windows Server. And where it's present still on work group.
Work group.
Click on OK. Then click on OK. Then click on close. Restart now. I also changing the hostname on the computer side also. Same process. Go to run and type sysdm.cpl. I already activated administrator, and where I changing the hostname from administrator account. All are clear?
Yes,
Bhaskar,
sir.
why
Yes.
administrator?
Yes,
I
sir.
am changing the host name. Its name is also not understood. MCTA 3G9. It is not easy to remember because when you go to client side where 100 to thousands desktop are present, and you are also responsible for it because you are a administrator. So what I enter here? System 1 or computer 1. So I enter here computer 1. All are clear? Where it is present, it's also present on work group. All are clear up to now?
Yes,
किसी
sir.
का कोई
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No
If you
doubt.
have any doubt, you also ask.
No, sir.
So here you are changing the name of in compute Windows, our Windows 10.
Windows 10, Windows Server is operating system. Okay.
Oh yes, that is what I am saying.
And
In
administrator,
operating system.
administrator Ram.das, Rahul.das, that is the account. And computer name is Windows, computer name is computer 1, system 1, desktop 1, laptop 1, that is the host name. Server 1, so Windows Server 1, domain controller 1, DC1, DC2, that are all the server host name. तो ये कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना कि सर विंडोज सर्वर इज ए डोमेन और विंडोज सर्वर इज अकाउंट, नो, ठीक है. Account is administrator. Now where I go, I log on through both administrator. This administrator password is abcd@1234, and this administrator password is 12345. All are clear up to now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then where I go, first I changing the IP addresses on each and every site. What is the IP of this server? 192.168.1.1, and computer IP is 192.168.1.2. How to change IP? All steps are written over.
NCPL.
ncpa.cpl. Any question up to now? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'm not getting response to all. Request to everyone, please response me if you are getting my sound.
No doubt, sir.
No
No
doubt,
doubt.
sir.
No doubt,
No
No,
doubt.
sir. No
No
doubt.
doubt, sir.
Then where I go?
Change the IP address.
Change the IP addresses. How to change IP addresses now? Let's see. Go to run and type ncpa.cpl. Double click on Ethernet 0, click on properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following IP. What IP assigned? 192.168.1.1. 2.5.2.5.2.50 gateway not required because domain providing the service to the client, and DNS is also the same because when you configuring domain all the time, domain also configure, DNS also configure. All are clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why
Yes,
gateway is
sir.
not required? Sir, could you please explain?
Huh? Sorry?
Why gateway is not required? Yes.
Because already I प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस, मैं तो सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ. सर्वर प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस. If server receiving the service from different server on the time required. Clear?
Okay.
Any question?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, just please repeat. Sir, just please repeat once why we have not given gateway here.
What's your name? Priyanshu, right? What's your name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Priyanshu. Suppose you are present on Dhanbad, and you have suppose you have your own petrol pump, okay, and you also have a bike. So obviously you will not go to other petrol pump because you already have this own service on your own. So obviously why you will buying your petrol from different petrol pump? Obviously you have petrol pump, your own petrol pump. Obviously you will taking service from this. तो जो
Yes, sir.
सर्विस मेरे पास है उसके लिए हम कोई अलग से हम मतलब गेटवे देंगे. इफ आई टेकिंग सर्विस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सर्वर, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विस. मैं तो खुद सर्वर हूँ. That Windows Server 2012 are to providing domain service to a number of clients. Why required gateway here? So who where required gateway? Who receiving the service from Windows Server 2012 are? जो सर्वर से रिसीव करेगा क्या सर्विस? डोमेन सर्विस. क्लियर और नॉट अंडरस्टूड?
Clear.
जो सर्विस
Nice.
तुम्हारे पास खुद है तुम बाकी और किसी से क्यों
Yes,
लोगे?
sir.
If you have your own service, why you go to other shop? Why you go to other company? Because you have already present. You have this. You have this particular service. Clear? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No question, sir. No, sir. सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर मेरा. सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर मेरा.
बोलो.
सर वर्क ग्रुप के केस में बेसिकली जब एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपनी मशीन से फोल्डर शेयर कर रहा
वीडियो
था.
ऑफ कर लो यार.
बोलो बोलो.
सर मैं कह रहा था वर्क ग्रुप के केस में जब सर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपनी मशीन से फोल्डर शेयर कर रहा था तो वो एक तरीके से सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा था ना, करेक्ट? तो फिर वहां पे हम सर डिफॉल्ट गेटवे की वैल्यू को फिल कर रहे थे.
वहाँ पे तो तुम्हारा तो कोई सेंट्रलाइज कनेक्शन है नहीं ना. तुमको
नहीं सर.
तुम एक पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर को यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विस टू डिफरेंट क्लाइंट. So you will mention that particular gateway while you sharing the service. Particular एक कंप्यूटर को तो तुमको तो देना ही पड़ेगा. If you not giving the IP, if you not giving the gateway, how it is connected? जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मली तुम रेल लाइन का समझो. जैसे हम लोग रेल लाइन में क्या देखते हैं? When you are going to a train, one engine is connected through first bogie, but another all bogies are similarly is connected, but that another bogie are not directly connected over the engine. Only first bogie is connected. Why? Same as it is here also. मैं सिर्फ कंप्यूटर 1 से कंप्यूटर 2 को कनेक्ट कर दिया. अब 2 से जितना भी कनेक्शन होगा 2 के बाद वो तो ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड होगा ना. अब कोई किसी का ये क्वेश्चन है कि सर आई एम टर्न ऑफ माय कंप्यूटर 2, इज इट पॉसिबल टू रिसीविंग द सर्विस? यस, रिसीविंग द सर्विस. व्हाई रिसीविंग द सर्विस? बिकॉज कंप्यूटर 1 also available on that network, that's why. Work group is a collection of computer connected on a same LAN that share common resources and responsibility. Work group infrastructure and domain infrastructure is totally different. वो तो लास्ट पॉइंट में बता दिया था. When you when you managing work group, they are only working on local network or local software, and domain is connected through different local network. Why? That is the difference. Suppose your one work group present on Kolkata first floor, and another work group present on Kolkata another second floor. First floor to second floor, if not connected over the switch, that also not connection because work group present on a same network. वो same internet का connection होना चाहिए. Internet is required here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now let's see where I go. Now I'm entering 192.168.1.1, 255, 255, 255, gateway not required. DNS is 192.168.1.1. All are clear up to IP, then click on OK. Then where I go, uncheck the IPv6, then click on OK. Then click on close. All are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then where I go to Windows 10. Windows 10 IP क्या होगा? Same process. Go to run and type ncpa.cpl. And where I present administrator account, because administrator have full access. Administrator can change everything. That's why I log on through administrator and then change the IP. Okay? I'm not changing the IP from user account, Bhaskar, because administrator have full access.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to Ethernet 0, click on properties, then Internet Protocol version 4. What is the IP? 192.168.1. ये सब तुम लोग
1.2. 1.2.
192.168.1.
2. 1.2.
2.
2 or 1.
2.
2.
2, sir.
If
2.
you enter,
Two, sir.
if you enter, if
IP
you
address
enter
always
1, is it possible?
2.
If I enter 1, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
Because
Because we
every
don't enter,
वो पहले फाइन कर दिया ना.
we don't enter the IP, same IP on every device. Otherwise, network is
हाँ.
got looped.
वो पहले असाइन कर दिया
Because
ना हमने.
because if you tell कि 192.168.1.1, it's mean you are calling your own number. If it is possible to call, then it is same. If it is possible, if you will tell कि yes sir, you also enter 192.168.1.1 on client side as well. So you will do one thing. You will go to dial. You go to your phone and you will dial your own number from your own SIM card. Obviously, that call also not happen. It's showing busy or network is not reachable, right? So that's why always computer IP is always changed. Subnet gateway is same, but IP not same. Okay. In workgroup also, in domain also. ये सबको समझ में आना चाहिए.
sir, one question, sir, one more question over here, sir.
यार गुरु जी ने ऐसा निकलना चाहिए.
बोलो.
Sir, like here we are providing every time class C IP address.
उसकी वो
So,
होगी. Just
can I provide class A and class B also?
One minute, one
क्या था?
minute. Who is asking the question?
प्रेम के लिए उसके लिए दोनों के लिए बोला. बोले यार हमारा बैक चेक होता है नहीं तो घर नहीं आता.
हाँ, अब बताओ जिसको बताना है. जो
Sir,
बीच
मैं
में म्यूट, जो बीच में बात कर रहे हो म्यूट कर दो भाई. मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि दोनों एक साथ बात करोगे तो किसी का समझ में नहीं आएगा. नाउ टेल मी.
Sir, I'm saying that like right now we are providing the class C IP address. So can we provide class A or class B address as well?
So that is also depends on you also. You enter any IP over here.
Okay.
हाँ, लेकिन सीरीज और मतलब गेटवे, सबनेट एंड DNS ये सब भी सेम सीरीज का होना होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि कंप्यूटर 1 का IP दे दिया, क्लास A का IP दे दिए और क्लास B का DNS दे रहे हो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम. तो
Okay.
जिसका सबनेटिंग का नॉलेज है, तुम कोई भी IP तुम यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. अदरवाइज यू विल एंटर ए बेसिक IP, you that is only for connecting the network only. Okay. So what I enter 192.168.1.2, 255, 255, 250 gateway क्या होगा? What is the gateway?
161.1.
1.1. Why 1.1? Because computer 1 receiving service from domain server. What server? What service provided? That service provided from taking from server. And what service? Domain service. Domain is a one type of service, na? Then
Yes,
where I
sir.
go, click on OK. Then where I go, uncheck the IPv6, then click on OK again. Pop-up is 100% sure coming because you are present on a same LAN. Clear? Do you want to allow to be disclosed by other species devices on the network? Do you want? तुम क्या चाहते हो? To allow your PC, मतलब network 2, computer 1, to be disclosed by other species devices on the network. कंप्यूटर 1 से सर्वर, विंडोज सर्वर को
Yes, sir.
कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I am clicking
Yes.
yes.
Yes, sir.
I clicked on yes. Both side done, network done. This also Windows server also connected with Windows 10 and Windows 10 also connected. Now where I go, now I activating the ADDS role on server sides. I activating the ADDS role. Where I activating ADDS role? On server sides. So where I go to server sides, then where I go server manager dashboard, where I go manage. Server manager dashboard, then manage. Clear? Then where I
Yes.
go first option. What is the first option? What is the first option? Add role and features. When I click on add role and features, that add role features wizard is open. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All are clear?
sir.
Response.
Yes,
All
sir.
are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सबको
Yes,
समझ में आ
sir.
रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I repeat you more than 5 times. Where I getting add role and features, click on manage, click on first option. Click on manage, click on first option. Then where I go, this wizard help you to install roles, service and features. Click on next. Click on role based installation or feature based installation, then click on next. Then where I go, check as select the server from the server pool, then click on next. Then which activated? I activating the ADDS role. What role? AD.
Yes. Active domain service.
यही तो ना नहीं हट रहा भाई।
Any doubt guys? किसी का कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
और सर
Give me sometimes my network is got down. Give me sometimes.